Hi, my name is Boris, and I'd love to work with you on this problem from our new AP World History QBank. This table shows you the percentage of Shia Muslims in several countries in modern times. Now I'm going to let you try the problem entirely on your own. Pause the video while you work. When you're done, unpause and we'll review the question together. This question asked you to identify the factor that had the biggest influence on the Shia population in several countries. Now, there were two different ways you could possibly solve the problem. One was by applying the relevant content knowledge. If you knew that the Safavid Empire, which ruled from the 16th to 18th centuries, and established Shia Islam as the dominant sect of Islam within its lands, controlled 4 of the countries in the table, then you would probably also know that the legacy of this empire is that the countries that were formerly ruled by it tend to be dominated by Shia Muslims, even though Sunni Islam has more followers globally. Then you could pick choice C out of a lineup because it's the only choice that even mentions the Safavids, so it has to be correct. But let's say that you did not know all of that content. Maybe you forgot about the Safavids, or didn't know that they established Shia Islam within the empire, or didn't know that the countries in the table were part of the Safavid Empire. You could then still get the answer by process of elimination. Choice A mentions the Crusades. Now, they were definitely important. They had a major impact on the Middle East economically, but the Crusades were originated by Christians. So the Crusades could not really, logically, have caused one sect of Islam, a totally different religion, to become dominant over another sect of Islam. So A cannot be right. Choice B mentions trade networks in Africa. That would have been very important economically, but it would not have affected this region religiously, specifically in the way of causing one sect of Islam to become dominant over another sect. Now, choice D was perhaps a very tempting distractor answer choice. The problem is that Sikhism emerged as the result of interactions between Hinduism and Islam in India, so it was the wrong place. And you could cross off choice D, eventually grabbing choice C by process of elimination. So don't forget on test day, if you don't know some relevant piece of content knowledge, that does not spell the end for your chances to get a question right. This question came from Kaplan's AP World History QBank, which has hundreds of questions, all with fabulous explanations, and you can create custom quizzes focused on the time periods that you're most interested in studying. For more information, be sure to click on the link in the description below.